Hi guys, I'm going to give you a brief overview of your learning path for the week of December the 7th. So let's get started. On your overview page, you will see the links for our teaching sessions this week, which will be held on Tuesday and Thursday at 11 o'clock. Tuesday's help session will focus on scale factor, and Thursday's help session will focus on similar figures. On your checklist, you will see that we are starting with your assessment assignment this week. It is your midpoint assignment, and so it is very important that you do assessment number 6. Some of you might have finished that last week, but if you didn't, make sure that you do that first thing this week, okay? That's assignment number 6 in your assessments. And then we will move on to your 4 lessons related to similar figures and scale factor. Okay, your learning targets for the week are posted. We are going to focus on using proportional reasoning to solve problems with scale factor and using proportions to find missing dimensions of similar figures. Okay, your poll this week is important because it will help me prepare for the help sessions that we will have the week of your summative test. So if you'll just let me know what do you feel like you need the most help with, then I will try to make sure that I'm finding material to support you during our help session next week. So with that being said, next week, the week of December the 14th, you will have your Unit 3 summative test, okay? So you will have a study guide that will be posted, some practice resources, and then your test at the end of the week, okay? So we are nearing the end of our unit. That will be your midterm for this semester, okay? So your midterm is simply just a Unit 3 summative test. It will not be cumulative, okay? All right. So the first learning path that you will come to is your assessment directions. Remember, if you have any questions about accessing your assessment, there is a link to the email here that you can email Mrs. Booker and she will be happy to help you, okay? Our first lesson, we're actually going to do a little bit more work on direct variation. So you will see a review of the Edulastic that you took last week that will be posted with all of the answers to the quiz. I feel like we need a little bit more help on that, so please make sure that you watch that quiz review that will be posted in a video on It's Learning. And then there is a Google Slides review linked here. So as part of your learning path this week, you will do a little bit more work on direct variation through this Google activity. Okay. Next, we will focus on scale factor. So there is information for you to read through, and then there are several videos on different components of scale factor. Okay, so watch each of those as if you were in class, take notes, and then you will see what you have learned by completing a MathLibs activity. It is in Edulastic, so you'll see the questions in PDF uploaded, and then you will simply just answer with multiple choice. I do want to encourage you to make sure that you are doing your work on paper and making it your best effort because, again, your test is next week. So you want to do your best work. All right, next our page is focused on similar figures. So again, some teaching notes for you to look at there and read through, and then a few videos for you to watch, all with a little bit of a different component to similar figures. So it's important that you watch each one. You'll do a quizzes. Here's your join code if you need it. This link should take you directly into the quizzes. And then finally, you have a MathLibs on similar figures. So it will be similar format to the one that you did on scale factor. It is just on a different topic, similar figures. Okay. Finally, for the week, you have an It's Learning checkpoint. So it is just some It's Learning questions that you will submit, and that will be your final activity for the week. All right, I hope that you have a great week. Please reach out if you have questions, and I hope to see you on our help sessions this week. Bye.